how you can raise hands in Zoom meetings. Now before we start, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. Now let us begin. So the first thing you'll want to do is open up your Zoom. Now first let me start a new meeting. Now after starting a meeting, you will see there is an option called reactions. Now tap on reactions. Now there you will see raise hand option. Tap on raise hand and you'll have your hand raised on your Zoom meeting. Now you can check that by going to the participants option, tap on participants, and there you will see your hand raised. Now after doing that, you can lower your hand by going back to the reactions option and tapping on lower hand. Now you can check that again by going to the participants and you won't be seeing your hand there anymore. So yeah, that is basically it. That is how you raise your hand on a Zoom meeting, guys. Thank you for watching. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye, take care.